If you want to fix not enough memory or storage space is running out problem on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will give you a few methods to fix this issue. So just watch this video till the end so you could properly fix your issue. Now first of all, just go to settings. Now under settings, just scroll down and tap on device care. From here, just tap on storage. And from here, you can check what type of data is consuming the most storage. And after you check the storage, now if you want to clean the storage, first of all, just tap on duplicated files. And from here, just tap on select all. And after you do that, your tablet will automatically select the files which are duplicated on your tablet. Now as you can see, our tablet has detected a duplicated file which is consuming 30 MB. But in your case, it can be more. Now after you select the duplicated file, just tap on the bin icon over here. Then tap on delete. Now after you delete the duplicated files, then tap on large files. Now from here, just select the large file which you no longer need. For an example, I will select both of these files. And after you do that, then tap on delete and select delete. Now after you've done that, now just scroll down and go to the suggestions section. And in this section, your tablet will give you a few suggestions to free up some storage. For an example, your tablet is suggesting you to free up some storage by deleting installed files. Tap on review installations and select the files which you want to delete. Now just do the same with all the other suggestions on your tablet. Tap on select files. And from here, just check if you want to delete any file or not. Just like that. Now after you've done with the suggestions, then tap on trash. Now first of all, just select my files. Tap on select, then tap on all. Now as you can see, these are all the files which we have deleted on our tablet. Now to clear the recycle bin, tap on delete all and select delete. Then go back. And from here, just tap on unused apps. Now if there are any apps which you no longer use, you can delete them from here. Now after you do that, then just go back and check if you have enough storage on your tablet or not. Now if you want to clear more storage on your tablet, then for the next step, just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the apps which you use the most. For an example, I will tap and hold on Google Chrome, then tap on the eye icon over here. And from the app info, just tap on storage. Now in the storage section, as you can see, the selected app, which is Google Chrome in our case, is consuming 606 MBs of cache files. Now just tap on clear cache to clear all the cache of the selected app. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your tablet. You will just clear the cache files which have been stored in your tablet. Now just go to your home screen and do the same with all the other apps on your tablet. Preferably just do it on the apps which you use the most, because the more you use an app, the more cache files you will generate. Especially do this process on all the messaging apps, the browser apps, and the games on your tablet. Just like that. Go to storage. As you can see, these are the cache files. Just tap on clear cache and you will clear the cache files on your tablet. Now after you do that, and if you want to clear more storage on your tablet, then for the next step, just open the app drawer and check if there are any apps on your tablet which you're no longer using. Now after you find the apps, just tap and hold on the app and select uninstall. Select OK. Now just delete the apps which you're not using from your tablet. Just like that. And by doing that, you will permanently delete the apps from your tablet. Now finally, if you want to clear more storage on your tablet, just copy all your photos and videos to your Google Drive or to any external hard drive, and you can delete them from your Photos app to free up some storage. And this is how you can fix not enough memory or the storage space is running out problem on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.